Here's your step-by-step guide to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. If Mobile Legends isn't producing any sound on your iPhone, there are several steps you can try to get the audio working again. Begin with the simplest checks. Make sure your phone's volume is turned up using the side buttons and confirm that silent mode is switched off. Many players overlook this, but the mute switch can completely cut off game audio. After confirming these basics, open the Settings app to look deeper into the audio configuration. Scroll down and tap Accessibility, then locate Audio and Visual. Inside this menu, you'll see a balance slider which controls how sound is distributed between the left and right speakers or headphones. If this slider is pushed too far toward one side, the audio may seem faint or disappear altogether. Slide it to the exact center to ensure equal output, then reopen Mobile Legends to test whether sound is restored. If the problem continues, consider refreshing the game without losing your data. Go back to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and wait for the list to load, and locate Mobile Legends Bang Bang. I'll select a random app for demonstration purposes, but the process is identical. Tap the app, choose Offload App, confirm, and then tap Reinstall App to reload the fresh system files. Another possible reason for missing sound is an active Bluetooth connection. Your iPhone may be sending audio to wireless earbuds, a speaker, or even a paired car stereo. Open Control Center, turn off Bluetooth completely, and launch the game again to see if the audio returns. If all else fails, restart your iPhone. Minor software glitches can temporarily interfere with audio playback, and a reboot often clears them. However, if the sound is still missing after trying every step, the issue might be related to hardware. For instance, a damaged speaker. And at that point, consulting an authorized technician would be the best solution.